Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this LED closet light motion sensor apparatus here, and I'm going to show you guys how this works. Sorry, I just pulled it out. It comes with two of these, and I am in desperate need for these in my closet over there because I have no light in it, and I'll show you guys what I mean here in a second when I move you around. But let's unbox this and I'll show you guys what it is. So it looks like here we have the different settings and stuff. Let's see what we need to do. So there's the light on. And I guess it's set up with a motion sensor, so if we move, it'll do it. Let's look at the instructions and see the different mounting options. So it looks like we got magnets here, so we can tape on the magnets. How cool is that? So that'll be nice. So it looks like we've got two of those for each one. So I'll be able to put that into my closet. And it comes with two of them, and it comes with the charging cords too, USB to USB-C. So let's see what the little instructions say, if there's anything I can gleam of use for it. So short press the LED light once, and the light will stay on until it runs out, and short press it twice, and it goes into night induction mode. So the LED blinks twice to enter the sensing mode. So now it should be in sensing mode. And then I can hang it up in my closet and get light. So how cool is that? So let me go. Let's see, what are these other buttons on here? I think this is going to adjust the brightness. I don't know if you guys can tell because I'm in a light room there. And then what is this one here? The color depth of it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to go put it up in my closet and we'll go give this thing a try here. I'll be back when I have it set up. So here is my dark closet, and I'm going to set it up because I have my 3D printer in here and I have my laser engraver over on that side. And I'm just going to stick it right here. I guess so. It's there, and there it is. Look at that. Now I have light. How awesome is that? And I'll put one on the other side too. And it should just go based off of the motion. I think I did it on there, right? Let me see. Yes. So now it should be based on motion. Yep, so now it's based on motion. So now when I open the door, the light will go on, and then it'll turn off when I close it. So super cool when I stop moving. So totally thumbs up on this, and it's all set for my closet. I like it.